Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the appliance. Make sure the firewall is reachable and you have admin credentials ready. Once logged into the admin console, note the serial number and appliance ID. You'll need these to register. Then sign into Sophos Central or My Sophos using the account tied to your license. This links entitlement to hardware. Make sure system time and internet access are correct, because authentication depends on accurate time and connectivity before you request or apply a license. Once the device is registered, go to My Sophos and request the license for that serial number. Select the XG model and correct subscription term. After the license is issued, download the LIC file or copy the activation token provided. Next, log into the XG admin console, go to System Licensing, and either upload the LIC file or paste the token into the activation field. Click Apply. The firewall will validate with Sophos and begin provisioning features tied to your subscription. You finish by verifying the license status on the firewall dashboard. Confirm enabled features and the expiry date so you know coverage is active. If features don't appear immediately, restart the affected services or reboot the appliance. This forces a refresh. If activation fails, make sure system time is accurate. The firewall has outbound internet access to Sophos endpoints, and your My Sophos account has permission to manage that license. If needed, re-upload the LIC or contact Sophos support for entitlement check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.